How to use Asana Advanced Project Management properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Asana is a powerful project management tool, but many beginners miss its full potential. Most people get this wrong, but here's why it matters. The first mistake is not using task dependencies. Beginners often create tasks independently, but projects with interdependent steps can get messy without proper dependencies. Setting a task to wait until a previous task is complete ensures smooth workflow and prevents bottlenecks. Another common error is unusing sections and custom fields. Sections organize tasks by phase or priority, while custom fields track metrics like budget, progress, or owner. Skipping these features results in cluttered boards and makes reporting difficult. A third mistake is ignoring advanced views. Asana offers timeline, calendar, and workload views. Beginners often stick to lists, missing the chance to visualize deadlines and resource allocation. Using timeline shows project progress and helps identify scheduling conflicts before they become problems. Many also forget to leverage automation rules. Asana's rules can assign tasks, update statuses, or send reminders automatically. Not using automation leads to manual work and increases the risk of missed deadlines. Finally, beginners frequently ignore reporting. Advanced projects benefit from Asana's reporting tools to track completion rates, overdue tasks, and workload distribution. Without these insights, it's hard to identify issues or improve future planning. To master Asana, set task dependencies, use sections and custom fields, explore multiple views, automate repetitive tasks, and monitor reports. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Asana from a simple task list into a robust project management engine that keeps teams on track, productive, and aligned.